Hey guys, I'm Virus. Welcome back to my channel. Behind me is my new project, FORD RAPTOR. American youth. It looks very tough, have very nice paint work on it. It's brand new car. Customer would like to protect it.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Before we will talk more about this project, let's have a look what we have here in the workshop. Okay, here we have, look behind me, G-Wagon, fully wrapped in matte chrome. BMW X2, I don't know what's going on with this one. Another one is in progress. Mercedes, another Mercedes G63. You guys are wrapping it in chrome, mirror chrome. It looks really good. It's a bit filthy, dirty, but when guys will finish it, they will clean it, and it's gonna look really, really good. Just have a look. And yeah, what we have for today, like I mentioned before, is FORD RAPTOR. We're installing it full paint protection film. This car have a gloss paint finish on the main body and matte satin finish on the flares, front bumper and rear bumper. And customer would like to protect everything, even mirrors. You see, it's kind of satin matte finish. And if I will install gloss paint protection film on matte finish surface, it will become gloss surface. This is why we will need to use Suntech matte paint protection film for these parts and gloss paint protection film for entire paint job. First, I will start with washing this car, because for paint protection, installation, car supposed to be immaculate clean. Okay, let's do it. Cleaning is very important for paint protection film installation. 2 days ago, this car was cleaned perfectly with clay barring, soap and everything else. Even this car is straight from dealership and you have like 36 kilometers on it. But yeah, cleaning, clay barring is very important. I don't need to do it now because it was done 2 days ago. Now I need just to spray dust, quick wash like 10 minutes. And yeah, now let's drive this youth inside the workshop and start working on it. This time we're not using templates, pre-cut templates for this vehicle because there's no template for this specific model on the software. I will need to do everything like bulk fit, bulk installation. It's not a big issue, it takes a bit more time to do it, but it's alright. I have done many cars like that in the past, and yeah, probably I will do in the future. Already have prepared all material. Some of them is here. Something else I have in the boot. Okay, let's do it. first panel is on. I still need to leave it for a few minutes to dry it before I will cut around the edges, like access film. And now I will do rear doors. When it's bulk fit and it's no template, if it's easy to take door handles off, I will take them off. If it's difficult to take all door cards, panel from inside, it takes a lot of time, and you know it's a brand new car, customers don't wanna go so far and remove everything from inside. Then I just will make a template around the door handle. But in this case, I already get one handle off. It's very, very easy, one bolt from inside, and I will show you how to do it. Just like that, 30 seconds, door handle is off. Now it's easy to lay a paint protection film on the doors because the handle is not in our way. Okay, let's continue. Customer requested to remove this Raptor sticker. Then we will do paint protection and we will print new one and we will put in the same spot. So when you install paint protection film on the top of the another sticker, you will see like the white air edge, and yeah, customer don't want that. This is why we're taking sticker off and we will put new one on top of the paint protection film. On this side of the doors I will wrap around the edge. I left extra material to make it happen, but on this side I just cutting straight with the edge. Because this side you're opening, you're walking inside the car, you're going out from the car and you can scratch. And this side you cannot wrap it. Yeah, you're just cutting with the edge. It's like kind of open edge you need to wrap around, whereas closed edge you're just cutting straight with the panel. This is how it's supposed to be done, or at least this is how I do. We have gloss paint protection film and we have matte paint protection film, and I would like to show you why we need to use matte paint protection film on the matte surface and how it's gonna look if we will install gloss paint protection film on the matte surface. Because sometimes customers, for example, buying a gloss white car and they would like to have a matte finish, then we can install matte paint protection film over the gloss paint and we will get like matte finish. But if we're installing gloss paint protection film over the matte finish, we will get gloss result, gloss finish. Yeah, let's do it. Now you can see why we need to use matte film for matte surface and gloss film for gloss surface. As you can see, when we apply matte PPF over the gloss paint, we're getting matte finish paint, and I really like this finish. It's more difficult to do it because you need to be very, very precise and cover as much as you can. It's possible. I have done before. Okay, let's continue. We still need to do a lot of work. pumped it. Okay guys, I would like to show you how to do a mirror by yourself. If you have a car, you want to protect your mirrors, you can do by yourself. Just buy material and apply it. First of all, I will clean the mirror. Then I will take a film. This is matte paint protection for the matte film, for the matte mirror. We'll use soapy water. Yeah, just let's apply and spray the water. Now I will stick the film on this corner and then I will stretch this way. I will hold a bit with my belly. This tip I learned from the Rainer. He showed me that. You need to have big belly to do that. Now I just need to remove the water from under the film and it should stay. I will do some relief cut, just to release this film. It's just too much tension. With paint protection, you're never cutting through the film, you're just scratching the top coat. And when you are off from the panel, you can see like, and then I will push harder to cut it through. Then I just like need to rip it. Now I just need to trim excess film and we're done. 5 minutes, easy as that. Before you're gonna trim, you must snap your blade. And now I will use heat gun just to dry everything and just like seal the film on the panel. And you see, it's not that difficult. You can do it at home without any problems. FORD RAPTOR is almost finished. Last thing to do on it is bonnet. It's already film is applied on it. I just need to finalize it, fold everything inside, make it neat. Everything else is like done. That's it. Everything else is done. I was telling you that you can wrap gloss car in the matte paint protection film, and I just got a project. And yeah, this BMW behind me will be wrapped in matte paint protection. At the moment it's like pearl white. We're gonna do, I'm not gonna tell you what we're gonna do. I will show you in next video. Yeah.